Sound familiar? If you're shopping for a running watch in 2026, you are standing at a massive crossroads. This year, the big players, Garmin, Coros, Apple, Suunto, have dropped some serious heat. We're talking watches that can predict your race times with scary accuracy, watches with battery life that outlasts your longest ultra, and watches that look just as good in the boardroom as they do on the trail. Starting at number 1. GPS Running and Triathlon Smartwatch. Our advanced AMOLED touchscreen display stands out with its vibrant colors and incredible clarity, allowing you to navigate easily through the various functions and features using intuitive button controls. Furthermore, the lightweight titanium bezel not only adds durability but also contributes to a sleek design, while the sapphire lens provides exceptional scratch resistance. This combination ensures that your device can withstand the rigors of daily wear, especially during high-impact activities such as running or training outdoors. Additionally, the built-in LED flashlight enhances your safety and awareness during early morning or late-night runs, illuminating your path when visibility is low. When it comes to battery life, this smartwatch excels with an impressive duration of up to 15 days in smartwatch mode, which is perfect for everyday use. For those who engage in more demanding activities that require GPS tracking, the device can last up to 26 hours in GPS mode, giving you a more comprehensive understanding of your training and recovery patterns without worrying about your battery running out during crucial moments. Number 2. Advanced GPS Running and Triathlon Smartwatch. Our brightest AMOLED touchscreen display provides vibrant colors and sharp graphics for an outstanding visual experience, complemented by intuitive button controls for easy navigation. The 47mm size ensures a perfect fit for your wrist while maintaining a sleek look with its durable aluminum bezel. With impressive battery life, this smartwatch offers up to 11 days of usage in smartwatch mode, allowing you to keep track of daily activities without needing frequent recharges. When GPS mode is activated for more intensive tracking during workouts, the battery lasts up to 18 hours, ensuring you have enough power for extensive training sessions and outdoor adventures. Train effectively for various events or improve your overall fitness with Garmin Coach training plans. These personalized running and triathlon plans adapt based on your performance and recovery metrics, providing you with a customized training strategy designed to help you achieve your fitness milestones. Number 3. Garmin Forerunner 165 Running Smartwatch. The running smartwatch is designed to cater to the needs of both casual joggers and serious athletes. It features a user-friendly interface, equipped with a built-in GPS system that accurately tracks pace and distance, allowing users to monitor their performance in real time. Additionally, the wrist-based heart rate monitor provides continuous heart rate data, empowering users to optimize their training sessions based on real-time feedback. This smartwatch boasts a stunning AMOLED touchscreen display, which not only enhances visibility in various lighting conditions but also allows for seamless interaction through traditional button controls. The lightweight design, measuring at 43mm, ensures comfort during long runs or workouts, making it a practical choice for daily wear. Battery life is a standout feature, offering up to 11 days in smartwatch mode for everyday use, and a remarkable 19 hours when utilizing GPS tracking. This longevity allows users to focus on their training without the frequent need to recharge the device. Number 4. Garmin Forerunner 970 Running Smartwatch. Train harder, longer, and in any light with the impressive 1.4-inch AMOLED display. This cutting-edge display technology ensures that your screen remains bright, responsive, and crystal clear, no matter the lighting conditions, even in direct sunlight where visibility can be a challenge for many devices. Designed specifically for endurance athletes, this smartwatch offers an incredible battery life, lasting up to 26 hours in GPS mode. It's built robustly to support even the most demanding training sessions, allowing you to tackle early morning long runs or all-day trail adventures without concern about running out of power. In addition to its impressive battery life, the watch offers precision navigation powered by built-in maps and advanced Sat-IQ technology. This feature allows you to run confidently on both city streets and treacherous mountain switchbacks, ensuring you never lose your way. The full-color built-in maps provide visual assistance, while the multi-band GPS technology enhances your location tracking, offering pinpoint accuracy. This is especially beneficial for trail runners, cyclists, and multisport athletes who often find themselves navigating off-grid or in unfamiliar terrains, guaranteeing that you receive turn-by-turn directions and accurate positioning. Number 5. Garmin Fenix 8 Premium Multisport GPS Running Smartwatch. The watch features a vibrant 1.3-inch AMOLED display that provides clear visibility in various lighting conditions. Its durable design includes a stainless steel bezel and a built-in LED flashlight, making it ideal for outdoor activities and low-light conditions. The smartwatch is engineered to withstand rigorous use with a 40-meter dive rating, making it suitable for athletes and adventurers who engage in water sports. And there you have it, the absolute best running watches you can buy right now in 2026. From the budget-friendly Coros Pace 3 that punches way above its weight class, all the way up to the beastly Garmin Forerunner 970 with its built-in flashlight and pro-level metrics.